Hi, my name's Skye. See if you can answer each question before I do. 4 times 12 equals 48. 12 fives. 60. 12 eights. 96. 12 fours. 48. 6 twelves. 72. 11 elevens. 121. 9 twelves. 108. 7 twelves. 84. 12 sixes. 72. 11 twelves. 132. 12 elevens. 132. 8 elevens. 88. 12 twelves. 144. 12 threes. 36. 11 sevens. 77. 8 twelves. 96. 12 nines. 108. 7 elevens. 77. 5 twelves. 60. 12 sevens. 84. 11 eights. 88. Well done you! Now try Math Trainer at mathisfun.com.